So if I'm sending you this video, that means that you have credits in your account. And so this is how to get the credits and use them for a survey. So I've already gone through, I've set up my survey. I'm on the checkout page here. So this is what you do. You select the number of participants. So you can go from 25 to 100. And then you put in your information. So you're already in the system. We already have your email from the previous surveys that you did. And so you just put in your name and your email, and then we want to click right here, check your balance and send code. So that's going to send a verification code. I'm just going to grab that real quick. Okay, and then you just enter that in here, verify, and this will show you how many credits you have. So you can use like this is for 100 participants, right? That's what I've chosen. So I can use 100 credits for that if I have them. I can use whatever. I can set the number of credits that I want to use to pay down the cost of what I set here for the participants. And so here I've used up 100 credits. And so the cost is 0. So there's no payment. Basically, you just continue, and this will go ahead and make the survey for you. So there's no payment beyond this because you've used your credits. Anyways, that's how it works. And just let me know if you have any questions.